Yeah.
3, 2,
Green.
1.
Oh boy, why did you start in the...
Yeah, why did I start in center? Wait a minute.
Oh, this is gonna be a horrible auto. Oh, nice.
I don't think I can make it back from my cycle. I'm just gonna pass.
That was a terrible auto. We should have hit 1,000.
Probably, yeah.
Because me and Prabha
yeah.
like average 9
Nice. Yeah, my bad Prabha
That is not
about
true.
yesterday. I wanted to get on, but low-key I was just burnt the hell out, bro.
That's fair. Okay, we're active.
10. Cap.
Cap.
Why are we lying?
Sure, bro.
Why is he lying? Okay, bro, what are we shooting at? What are we shooting at, bro?
What the hell?
What the hell? What the hell?
Oh, my bad.
That's alright.
Here.
We're active in 5.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave the ones and just go for second.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Should I climb? Yes? No?
I'll climb.
Sure. Yeah.
I'll climb too.
Oh! Okay, maybe not like that. Okay.
Oh,
My bad.
The biggest side swipe of the century, bro. I just got T-boned behind the freaking tower, bro.